guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So I'm just going to be unboxing SHOPMISSA products, as you guys can already tell by the title, but it's going to be a haul. But I kind of unboxed it already, but you guys can already see the products, so let's get started. This is, I kind of unboxed it already, but this is the SHOPMISSA. It came like this, just as this A on it. Like everything is like $1, but like I have some products that I didn't buy for $1. Yeah, but it's like brush sets and everything. So I'm just opening. I got 18 items. Let me show you. I have the sheet here. I got 20 items actually. Yeah, 20 items, but like I got 2 products that are doubles. I have 2 products that I bought 2 of. So that was 20 products, 18 products. So and let's just start. It has all the products that the mini products and stuff in here. Oh my god. Let's do that one later. Let's just go for the big basic ones. Okay, so this first up is a makeup bag. So I put all the makeup inside here. I'm so excited. I'm really so excited. I have unboxed it. I haven't unboxed the whole thing yet. But yeah. So this is making remove cleansing wipes. I put this on my face after I don't need the makeup for the day. And I got 2 of these because they have like a good scent in them. Because I watched the reviews and everything. They say it's so good, but like, oh god, it smells like a drink that I know. And this is a lash curler. I've never used lash curlers, to be honest, because I thought that like, I don't know, I really didn't even know how to use them, but now I just need to learn how to use them and actually use them. And these products are for me and my sister, so it's not just for me. And this True Beauty Mascarilla Facial Debaro. Yeah, it's like in, I don't know what language that, but yeah. And this is a black mask, so it's for your blackheads from any facial spaces you want to put on, like here, like anywhere. So I'm excited for that. We've got 2 of these. There's another one. Just get that one. Yeah, we have 2 of these for me and my sister, but I don't know if I should try them. And I've got these brushes. Again, I saw them online and wasn't thinking of buying any brushes, but later on my sister was like $10 for like 10 brushes. That's so nice. So, and I also read the reviews. I always read the reviews on them. So like if I know they're good products or not, because like, even some people that don't like it or like it, I check, and then there's like a lot of people liking these. Like they're like, oh my gosh, private brushes, foundation and stuff. That was like the most thing I was excited about, the brushes, because like they're so fluffy and everything. If you guys willing to buy them, go buy them. They're so nice, I swear. Okay, so let me just do this. Nothing broke. I just opened it because like I want to see if anything broke or anything, which is good that nothing broke. And this is the AOA Studio Brush Cleaning Egg. So it's black. I bought a plain black. I just like, oh, it doesn't matter with the brushes anyways. So this is how it looks. Like it cleans off and everything, the dirt comes off. And yeah, this is what this brush cleaning is for. This brush cleaning egg is for. So that's that. So let's move on to these things. I'm really excited about these things. So let's open this up. First thing you see is this. This thing, I was so excited for it, cause look at these colors. They're like all highlighters, guys. Look at this. This used to be $5. Excuse me. This used to be $5, like, and then it's like $1 on sale. I was like, I need to get this. Even if it's $5, I probably will get it because like it has like a lot of colors. It has 6 colors, so I'm really excited for this. And remember, in the brush set, they have a lot of like kind of brushes. So I think there also is a highlighting brush, but not a fan brush, but like you can also use those brushes for highlighting. Next thing in here is a BB cream. 2 BB creams for me, my sister. As I said, the makeup things are not for me only. My shade. So these are like different shades. This is my shade. This is my sister's shade, a little bit darker. So I am really excited to use these BB creams because like I watched another review. I was too excited, so I was like, oh my god, I have to watch review. So I watched the review, and then this is like very full coverage, like basically foundation. So you don't even need to buy a foundation if you already have these BB creams because like you can build up and make it as a foundation. So, like, why don't I try that? And I got these BB creams. So, yeah, that's that. I am so happy. It says skin perfecting and color correcting. This can also be as color corrector. Let's see. I'm very excited about that. Next up, primer. I also watched reviews on it on YouTube, like those videos and everything, and they said that it was really good and it was like watery and everything. It doesn't really smell good, which is good because like there's some like it just smells a little bit like hand sanitizer, but it just smells normal. So see how it actually polishes you. Yeah. So we got 2 of those because I saw the reviews again. It was so good. It's like watery. It just really works really good. So that's why we got it. And now this one I'm actually really excited for, which is Sculpturing Brow Pencil. And this is how it looks like. If you're wondering what shade I got the shade Mid Brown. I'm very excited to use this again. It has 2 sides on it, so that's that side, and this side is for like arching your eyebrows and everything. So that's fun to use. Next one is eyeliner. This is the Muse Cosmetics eyeliner. This is also how it looks like. I'm pretty sure this one's like good for like wings and everything. I'm not sure, but I like it. I like the packaging. I like how like the color is. Next up, mascara. This is like the most important thing I say. Like even if you're not wearing any makeup another day, I would think that mascara is like the most important thing. So this is a Volume Lash LA Colors mascara. Let me just open this. I haven't really checked through them, to be honest. I just like, oh, I have to film a video. So this is how it looks like. It's really big, but they say it volumes up your lashes, which we want. So that's that one. And ooh, this one. Muse Cosmetics 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. So this is concealer and foundation. So as I said, I didn't get foundation because I saw these like great reviews on those ones better than the foundation. So I was like, oh, let me get this one because people are like saying it's really good. So it has like a lip gloss applicator to it, which I love. And I got one of this. It's a good shade because a concealer, it doesn't really matter if it's like lighter than your skin, and it's meant to light up your skin, I'm pretty sure. So that's that Muse Cosmetics concealer and foundation 2-in-1. This is lipstick. I did not order this. I don't like black lipsticks, but my sister thought it was really nice and she tried it. It really looks good on her, so I might even try it because like it looks really good. Like you like black lipstick. I was thinking that as well, but when it came I was like, oh my god, it looks really good. So this, let me show you guys. This came with inside this, but my sister couldn't resist opening it. It would be cool to use it. It comes in 3, but like you don't have to use them and throw them out. You use them and you can keep on using them. Just cool. There's 3 of them, and let me open this. Okay, to show you guys, the cool thing is that there's like a mini mirror for your eyebrows. So it doesn't show your whole face because it's mini, but like for your eyebrows, like you need to see the eyebrow. You dip it in and then like you use it like that. Oh, I already showed you guys this. Okay, those ones are that. I'll put them back inside here. This is Lucky Last. My second favorite out of all things, but first thing was brushes. second favorite is contour kit. This thing was used to be, I don't know if that's true, but it used to be like $40, $39.99, $40. And I saw them, I was like, whoa, $1. Let me just open this, guys, to show you how it actually looks like. I'm not good at unboxing, sorry. I opened it from one side. So, this is how you open it. And I'm most impressed about the packaging because it's like so secured with this box and like two other cardboards in them. And there was elastic wrapped on them, so yeah. This I love. I hope you guys liked the video. That's all I have for the SHOPMISSA products. And give this video a like and subscribe down below. So bye guys. If you guys like this video, give it a subscribe and comment down below what other videos should I do, because I have no idea what other videos should I do. Hey guys, welcome back to HG. That's it for everything I got. 20 items and